Yeah. Guess who's back? Guess who's back up on my back? That would be the city I rep, though I think they hold me back. I'm just saying I should care more, but my mood is kind of lax, especially when my closest friends are more like enemies, in fact. But you know how far they try to stretch them politics. Niggas fighting over broad, man, what the problem is. Yeah, I never been one for petty arguments, but it's time for me to show you my position. It's ambassador. I ain't holding back no more. I'm ready now. No more beef. We grown up. We eat bowls of spaghetti now, and chase that with champagne and chase that with rosé. My girl on that nouveau. Her girl bought that faux play and she tatted up with a snapback. Musta heard what Dricky say. I'm interested in her artwork. She tryna see what they all say. I'm AD all day. Don't dwell too much on what y'all say. I'm Debo to these rap niggas. This rap game is my always, like, yeah. Cup of OJ and a shot glass. Toast to all these situations I just walked past. I'm ready, committed to the game, I learned to love it. Used to make sure to keep the budget, now I have no budget. Me and Joe ride like the brakes is missing. My nigga taught me how to play the game and treat it different. That's why I'm so in tune with life right now, I learn to listen. So when my situation changes, I just keep it simple. Simple enough, what you do is not enough. I stay right like new bananas with a link on every cuff. Older women look at that and say, nah, that's expensive stuff. Where you hustle like you lose it means you must have had it rough. Nah, I had good parents and even greater vision. I get good knowledge from even greater women. Yeah, you know she do it like she study. I meet her on the campus for her fix. I call that Aggie pride. Whole soul, young mind, my motto. And she don't mind. She got kids and they don't mind. We link up when she got time and I have none. Time out, listen up, you might find out exactly what I'm about to be about. Competition, I weed out. I'm number one, uno, pockets fat, sumo. Yo, girl in love with me like first day with new school clothes. Amen. Yeah, I said the grace and I say amen.